Here are some clever Amazon home and kitchen products you probably didn't know you needed. They're simple, useful, and perfect for making everyday tasks easier. As always, you'll find links to everything down in the description below. These pot organizers help you make better use of your kitchen space. They install easily inside any cabinet and slide out for quick access. The dividers are adjustable, so you can fit pots and pans of any size. These bins hang on any wall and help free up space on your bathroom floor. The smart lid design opens in any direction, making them easy to use in tight spaces. This may look like an ordinary wall clock, but it's actually a hidden storage spot. Inside, there's plenty of room for things like cash, cards, and keys, perfect for keeping your valuables out of sight. These disposable toilet seat covers come in a small, travel-friendly pack. They're a handy option for airplanes and public restrooms, so you can feel more at ease when you're away from home. This clever folding board helps you fold shirts neatly and consistently every time. Just place the shirt on the board, follow a few simple folds, and you're done. These silicone shoe covers protect your sneakers from water, mud, and dirt. Just slip them on when you head out, then rinse them off when you get home. They're reusable and easy to clean. These LED Bluetooth speakers stick to almost any surface, so you can enjoy music wherever you like. They're waterproof too, making them perfect for the shower or any spot where things might get a little wet. These toothpaste dispensers mount to your wall and make a cool upgrade for your bathroom. Just attach your toothpaste tube, then press your brush against the bottom to dispense the right amount when it's time to brush. This multifunctional cabinet offers plenty of built-in storage to help keep your space organized. It easily transforms into a dining table that seats up to 4, or into a work desk when needed. It's a practical option for small apartments and compact living areas. These reusable foam toilet seat covers are soft, breathable, and waterproof. They help protect your seat from dirt and wear, and they're a more affordable option than replacing the seat entirely. They're easy to stick on and remove. These cat litter pads are designed to go under the litter box and catch any litter your cat tracks out. You can pour the collected litter back into the box, helping reduce mess and waste while keeping your space clean. If you're running out of closet space, this folding rack is designed for pants and can hold up to 6 pairs at once. When you're done, just collapse it down to free up room and keep your closet organized. This magnetic phone holder can be placed wherever you need it in your car. It has a strong grip and rotates 360 degrees, letting you adjust your phone in any direction. This windshield sunshade unfolds easily to protect your car from direct sunlight and heat. It sets up in seconds and folds down just as quickly for easy storage when not in use. These ultra-absorbent floor mats are designed to dry quickly and stay firmly in place thanks to their non-slip base. They handle moisture with ease, making them perfect for bathrooms or entryways. When it's time to clean, they're easy to wash and dry fast, so they're ready to use again in no time. This compact sealing machine sticks to your fridge, so it's always within reach. It's USB rechargeable and comes with a built-in cutter for opening packages. Use it to reseal bags and keep your food fresh in its original packaging. These toothbrush holders look like little space helmets and stick right to the wall. They help keep your toothbrush off the counter so your bathroom stays neat, and they look pretty cool too. Check out our other videos for more cool gadgets. See you guys in the next one.